You have been doing countless cold calling and cold DMs and even try to run Facebook ads and still don't get any clients. And if you want to solve all this problem by getting more clients to your go high level web design or SaaS agency, watch this video until the end. If you are new to the channel, my name is Gautam. I provide SaaS and website services to my local businesses, and right now I'm teaching you how to do the same. This will be the 4th episode of the free website offer course. If you haven't watched those first 3 episodes where we have gone deep into the offer, how you can make use of it, and how to pick a profitable niche for your go high level web design or SaaS agency, I will link the videos in the description and put in the I button. And considering you have watched all those videos, let's get back to our 4th episode and check how you can get more clients for your go high level business. This is how I get clients, so you can just copy me. 4th episode. Again, if you haven't watched those first 3 videos, go check it out and then come to this episode, or else this video won't make any sense. How to get clients. If you're struggling to get clients for your web design or go high level SaaS agency, it's not because you're lazy, it's because you're doing outreach the same way everyone is doing. Copy paste boring messages hoping someone replies. Today I'm going to show you how exactly I get clients step by step, no fluff, just proven strategies that works. Let's go. I have completed my community where it's free and private, and you get to have all the courses, all the resources, and if you're starting your go high level agency from the scratch, it's gonna walk you through all the things from building, having your business name, new logo, until you deliver your service to your clients and getting the payment into your account. And if you want to get access to this Wolfpack community, the link is in the description. First, cold calling. Yeah, I know it sounds terrifying, but listen, I used to be scared too. My first 20 calls were a disaster. I panicked, got hung up on. And as you see, 10 months ago, I've made this video, first cold calling video, and in those 11 minutes, I only tried to call 3 people, and it was terrible, and I couldn't do anything. Fast forward to now, I'm booking anywhere from 7 to 10 meetings with my proven strategy and proven offer, and with the proven upselling in the meeting. I don't try to sell my service inside the cold calling. I sell the meeting and I sell my upselling and my offer in the meeting. But then I figured out you don't sell a website, you sell peace of mind, you sell the growth, and more importantly, you don't pitch, you ask questions. Again, you're not selling the offer in the cold calling, and even if you are in the meeting, you're not selling the service or offer. You're selling the transformation to the business. You're not just selling a website, you're selling the benefits of the website and all the growth they're going to get from your service, not just the website or the SaaS. And this is the script, and it has a psychology behind it. Let me go through it. Hey, is this the business name? You're still open and doing services, right? Guess what? In the first 2 questions, they will be answering with yes. Hello, is this like Beaumont Plumbing? They will be saying yes. Are you still open and doing services? Yes, we are. And let them answer. Don't just rush through the script. Let them answer, behave like a human, and talk normally like you talk to your friends, or you're genuinely asking some questions to a business owner. Amazing, mate, sounds good. So believe it or not, I actually built you a high converting website totally for free. Put some power in the word free to help you get more jobs without spending more money on paid ads. So you are picking up on the pain point. When you watch my cold calling videos, I press a little bit on free and press a little bit on more jobs and without spending more money. So I have a solution, I have a free offer, and I'm pinpointing their pain point in the script. And if you had like 10 to 15 minutes today or tomorrow, so that I can show you the website on a call. If you like it, you can keep it. So everything is based on the psychology. You can watch my video on my cold calling videos. I will link those in the description and the I button. You can literally see I am booking clients through the script. And yeah, it's simple, but it's not easy. 10 months ago, I was struggling a lot, and it's still struggle, and if I still don't want to do it, but it is what it is. If you don't want to work a 9 to 5, there's another struggle in a different way. You have to go through with it. Facebook group, this is the most underrated gold mine for local client. Here's the formula. Join 10 to 15 local business owner groups, comment value on their post, don't spam the group, post audits or helpful breakdowns of a real website. So this is the script I used in the Facebook groups. I'll just post them. I have joined more than 100 groups. Twice a week, I'll go inside the group, I'll start posting this. And it's not just that, we will go into the deep. So this is the script. Hey, local business owners, I'm offering free website for 5 local businesses who wants to grow their business, no strings attached. All I ask for in return is that you leave me a positive review if you like the website. Let me know if you are someone who you know could use a new website. As you can see, I'm proving everything in front of you that this works. I'm not just gonna sell you any stuff, and I'm not gonna say that it's gonna be easy. It's simple, but it's not easy. And this is the post I plugged through below the Facebook group post to show them what they are getting out of it. Sometimes it feels like it's a scam. People don't want to book a meeting just because they're getting some free stuff. Yeah, it's if you prove something along with this, there's a high probability of you booking some meeting. So this is Westover Beauty, which is in my local, one of my local business, and if they see a known name, they will be trusting me more to book a meeting with me. And this is the first post I made, and this got me my first client. For example, if you're starting something, you have to have the mindset of the business owner rather than mindset of the people who are trying to learn the business owner. If you're trying to be a web designer, you should already be a web designer, and if someone asks you, you have to say that you are a web designer. If someone is looking into your socials, they should know what you are doing. So that's what I did. I completely switched myself as a web designer when I'm starting out, even though I didn't sold any website prior to this. Since I was keep on it's just faking it until you making it. So I made this post. Hey, local business owners, I'm looking for 2 to 3 local business owners that want to get their website done totally for free. So yeah, I'm not going to go through all those things. Bam. This is the message I got from one of my friends who I used to work in a sushi restaurant. Quick on mate, I saw the post about web design. I don't know, you do web development. And I talk about this like in a jokey way. Instead of giving him a free website, I signed him for £500, and on top of it, another 500 monthly recurring for social media. So the first month I made £1,000 with this post. So you should know the power of manifestation and faking it until making it. You're not faking it. If you're trying to be someone, you have to envision within your head, and if you don't even believe in yourself, no one else is going to believe in you and give the money to do the job. That's what I did. And the main other reason I got the client is because I had already worked on lots of mock-up websites, and I had a professional business website. I'll show it on the screen. If it wasn't for this, I wouldn't have gotten this client, and I have linked all the templates and systems I'm using in my business in the link is in the description, or if you want it for free, you can join the free community and get access to it if you're using my referral link. And finally, content, my favorite, because this is how I get clients while sleeping. I audit real website and post them on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts, not fancy, just straight value. Hook. Here's why your website isn't converting. 3 fixes: CDA clarity, mobile design, trust signals. Drop your website if you want a free audit. Link in bio, work with me. So I started posting videos because I know the value of content. There is only a few amount of time in a day you can outreach, like cold email, cold DMs. The one call you're doing is gonna reach one client. Think about uploading a video which is going to show to 1,000 viewers, and instead of you going on a cold outreach, this is going to be a warm client who is coming to you looking for a service. And compared to these two, closing a cold call clients is way hard compared to the people who actually want something and trust you that you're going to deliver a proper service. And it's easy to book them with higher price compared to this. And it doesn't make sense not to make videos on social media. And I advise you to do the same. If you are my little brother or little sister, I would advise you to start making video right from the beginning, even if you don't know anything about websites. Just start watching some videos on YouTube, get to know the basic understanding. Again, we are not in a website business. We are in a monthly recurring SaaS business. Free website is just a break the ice offer. You're just having a step in and building your monthly recurring revenue business. If you haven't watched the first few videos, you don't know what I'm talking about right now. So if you haven't, watch that video to have a better understanding. I had 26 followers, and at the time of having this message, I had like 10 followers. And voila, would you like to build me a website, run a data analytics and other services? This video got maybe 700 views, and one of them commented asking for me to build a website, and I had 10 followers, 10 likes, and one comment on this post. And you should know the power of content. There's only few amount of hours in a day. You can't grind yourself to like burn out. Start making videos and let your clients come to you rather than you go to your clients. And client acquisition strategy, timeline, impact, cold calling. Yes, you will have quick wins, and I will suggest to start with cold calling and Facebook groups and content at the same time. Cold calling, there is a time barrier, like you have to call them in a certain time in the business timing rather than like calling in 6 in the morning or 10 in the evening. So call them in this time period, and you have Facebook group outreach. You can do whenever you want. And inbound machine content you can post any time of the day. So in the day you can split your day and do this. Maybe you can batch your content in one day. You can do cold call 2 to 3 times a week, and Facebook group 2 times a week. So you have to split the days according to your day, and cold calling will improve your confidence on your offer. Even if you're doing Facebook group or content, you have to sit down in a video call to sell your service. So cold calling will increase the confidence that you are who you say you are, and if it comes to a booked meeting, you will sign the clients. So even if you book like 50 meetings a month, it doesn't make any sense if you don't close a client. So this 3-stack strategy will help you with cold calling, Facebook, and content. This is the main reason I'm still doing my own thing, working with my own hours rather than working for someone else. Copy the system or join the community. Now listen, you can 100% do this on your own, but if you want shortcut, if I've already built the script, tools, content, calendar, outreach, templates, and automation for you. And if you want to join the private community where I walk you through all the step-by-step, just sign up using my Go High Level link below. You'll get the instant access to everything for free. Don't just watch me do it, copy me. Let's get your first client or your next client this week. So if you want to do this just by watching these videos, I have put together a combination, like combo of all the tools I've been using within my agency to bring in more clients. The website, the funnels, the custom CSS codes, the client onboarding portal, like everything you need. It's gonna take a long time. It took me 1 year to build everything for my business, but I'm giving it you for free if you sign up with my Go High Level affiliate link and join the community to get access to everything. And if you already have a Go High Level account, you can just get access to all the templates, the second link in the description. The only reason this won't work is if you don't try. The outreach strategies works. As you've seen in the screenshots, the proof is there. The free website offer works. What's missing is you showing up. So now you know what to do. The question is, will you do it? So if you want to do it, and if you want to keep on pushing yourself by working along with like-minded people, join this free community. Link is in the description. And if you want to kill your procrastination, this accountability system will be helpful for your business. And if you want to kickstart your agency, make use of all of my templates, the second link in the description. And if you want to get everything for free and access to me helping you along the way, you can sign up to the Go High Level with my referral link and join the community and get everything for free and kickstart your agency. In the next video, I am breaking down how I upsell client from a free offer into $297 and $497 monthly packages, and exactly what to say in the call to close them with confidence. And if you don't want to miss out watching on the next episode, which is the crucial thing, make sure to subscribe and join the community if you want to go through, access all the resources, all the courses, and all the templates. And I will see you guys in the next video.